Hi, today I will be showing you the proper procedure on how to scrub, script, and wax these floors. To start with, it is very important that you have the adequate tools to complete your job because preparation is the key. You will have your checkoff list. You will put up your signs that say scripting floors. Please keep out of room or off floor. You have your safety shoes, baseball scripper, terry cloth, putty knife, masking tape, measuring cup, goggles, safety glasses, protective gloves, gum remover, trash bags, wet floor sign, splash guard, which is optional, your scripper shoes, which goes on top of your safety shoes, a black scripting pad, a clean ragger, one long handle scraper, a doodle mop and a doodle mop pad, a broom, a dustpan, a squeegee, and we walk back over here. You will have 4 mop buckets. One mop is a cotton mop, which we'll be using for the scripper. The next 2 cotton mops will be used for rinse. The nylon mop that we have will be using to apply the wax. You will be using Red Bliss scripper, 1 swing machine, 1 Typhoon, and 1 extension cord. However, whenever you are scrubbing the floor, instead of using the Red Bliss for scripting, you will use the skim for scrubbing. Instead of using the black pad for scripting, you will use the blue or green pad for scrubbing. Now that we have our equipment, it is time to get to work. You will scrape and sweep all debris off the floor. Place down walk-off matting. Use 3M tape to separate areas. Place caution sign so they are visible where everyone can see them. When mixing the scripting solution, use 24-ounce Red Bliss per 1 gallon of water. Instruction for how to properly fit the scripting shoes is included in the packing material. Place black pad on swing machine. Apply scripting solution to the floor. Allow dwell time of approximately 10 minutes. Use scraper to scrape the wax buildup from the corners and the edges. Person 1, begin using swing machine, moving from left to right. Person 2, use doodlebug to scrub the edges and corner. Person 1, begin using the typhoon. Person 2, use the long handle squeegee to assist person number 1. Apply clean rinse water. Use typhoon and squeegee to remove rinse water from floor. Clean and remove solution splashed onto baseboard. The floor is still wet, but it's continued drying. But if you can see this white color on the floor, that means all the wax has been removed. Now that the floor is dry, we're going to do the finger test. If there's no white film, now we can apply the wax. When applying the wax to the floor, pull your mop completely out of the bucket and let it drip for a couple of seconds, and then apply wax to the floor. Always do your borders first. And then you mop, cover the floor from left to right, and always have an exit plan. Each time you finish applying a coat of wax, always put the date, the time, and your initial. After applying a coat of wax, please allow 1 to 4 hours drying time before applying the next coat.